I have a small bag. I have a small bag. Mening kiçi sumkam var. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Ol Luqman. She has a red dress. She has a red dress. Onun kızıl köyneği var. We go to school every day. We go to school every day. Biz her gün mektebe barıyarız. Mektebe gidiyoruz. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Pişik stolun aşağında. I can swim well. I can swim well. Men go yüzüp bilərin. He eats rice for lunch. He eats rice for lunch. Ol gün ortanın axarında tüy yer. My brother is tall. My brother is tall. Mening ağam uzun boylu. The bird is in the tree. The bird is in the tree. Kuş ağacın üstünde. We are happy today. We are happy today. Biz bugün bağıtlı. She can run fast. She can run fast. Ol çalt ılğap bilir. Ya da çalt ılğap bilyar. I like chocolate. I like chocolate. Men şokolade xalayarın. This is my teacher. This is my teacher. Bu mening muallimim. The book is on the desk. The book is on the desk. Kitap yazı stolunun üstünde. He's from Ashgabat. He's from Ashgabat. Ol Aşgabat'ın yaşayıcısı. Ya da ol Aşgabat'tan. We watch TV at night. We watch TV at night. Biz akşam televizor görüyoruz. I drink water every day. I drink water every day. Men her gün su içerim. The flowers are yellow. The flowers are yellow. Gülcağızlar sarı renkte. She writes a letter. She writes a letter. Ol xat yazar. He has a new bicycle. He has a new bicycle. Onun taze tırı var. My mother is in the kitchen. My mother is in the kitchen. Mening ecem aşxanada. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Asman gök. Asman gök renkte. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Men irden ir oyanıyorum. Ya da men ertirden ir oyanıyorum. We like our school. We like our school. Biz öz mektebimizi xalayarız. She's a kind person. She's a kind person. Ol mülayim kız. My father drives a car. My father drives a car. Mening kakam maşin sürüyer. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Çağa yatıyor. We play in the park. We play in the park. Biz seýilgähde oýnaýarys. He likes to drink tea. He likes to drink tea. Ol çay içmeyi gowy görýär. I have two sisters. I have two sisters. Meniň iki uýam bar. She is at the market. She is at the market. Ol bazarda. I like to draw pictures. I like to draw pictures. Men surat çekmeyi halaýaryn. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. It ürýär. My shoes are black. My shoes are black. Meniň köşlerim qara renkde. The children are in the classroom. The children are in the classroom. Çağalar sınıf otağında. He has a white hat. He has a white hat. Onun ak başgaby var. Ak şapkası var. I eat fruit every morning. I eat fruit every morning. Men her gün ýerden miwe ýerin. She sings very well. She sings very well. Ol gaty gowy aýdym aýtýar. They play with the ball. They play with the ball. Olar top bilen oýnaýarlar. My house is near the school. My house is near the school. Meniň öýüm mektebiň ýakynynda. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. Men saat 9'da ýatýaryn. He has a black cat. He has a black cat. Onun qara pişigi var. The sun is very hot. The sun is very hot. Güneş gaty gyzýar. My friend likes music. My friend likes music. Meniň dostum saz halaýar. Sazy halaýar. The bird is flying in the sky. The bird is flying in the sky. Kuş asmanda uçup ýör. Ya kuş asmanda uçýar. She drinks milk every morning. She drinks milk every morning. Ol her ýerden süýt içýär. Her gün ýerden süýt içýär. I like to play basketball. I like to play basketball. Men basketbol oynamagy gowy görýärin. The grass is green. The grass is green. Öwri meýdan ýaşyl renkde. Ya otlar ýaşyl renkde. My uncle works in a shop. My uncle works in a shop. Meniň daýym dukançydyr. Meniň daýym dukanda işleýär. We eat dinner together. We eat dinner together. Biz akşam naharyny bile ýeris. The car is red. The car is red. Maşyn gyzyl renkde. She's watching TV now. She's watching TV now. Ol häzir televizor görýär. My brother has a computer. My brother has a computer. Meniň agamda computer bar. Computer bar. I go to the beach on weekends. I go to the beach on weekends. Men dinç günlerinde deniziň kenaryna barýaryn. Deniziň kenaryna gidýäryn. He likes to play video games. He likes to play video games. Ol video oyunları oynamağı gowy görýär. We have a beautiful garden. We have a beautiful garden. Bizim ovadan bağımız var. She's learning English. She's learning English. Ol İngilizce öğrenýär. Ol İngiliz dilini öğrenýär. The apples are on the table. The apples are on the table. Alma stolun üstünde. I like to listen to music. I like to listen to music. Men saz dinlemeyi öwrenýär. He has 2 cars. He has 2 cars. Onun 2 maşini var. The coffee is hot. The coffee is hot. Kofe kızgın. Isıdır yani kofe ısıgın. My sister is reading a book. My sister is reading a book. Menin uyam kitap okuyar. The flowers are in the vase. The flowers are in the vase. Gülcağızlar vazada. I ride my bike to school. I ride my bike to school. Men mektebe tir bilen barýaryn. She likes sunny days. She likes sunny days. Ol güneşli günleri halaýar. We play games on Saturdays. We play games on Saturdays. Biz şembe günleri oyun oynaýarys. He eats ice cream in summer. He eats ice cream in summer. Ol Tomus'ta dondurma yer. My grandfather tells stories. My grandfather tells stories. Menin yaşlı atam hikayeler aytýar. The bus is coming. The bus is coming. Avtobus gelýär. I study English at home. I study English at home. Men öýde İngilizce okuyarım. The chair is next to the bed. The chair is next to the bed. Oturguç düşeğin kaptalında. I love my family. I love my family. Men maşgalamy söýärin. The stars are bright at night. The stars are bright at night. Gicelerine yıldızlar yalpıldabuk. She drinks juice with breakfast. She drinks juice with breakfast. Ol ertir bilen sok içýär. Juice sok. He works in a bank. He works in a bank. Ol bankda işleýär. The bus stop is near my house. The bus stop is near my house. Avtobus duralgasy meniň öýümiň ýakynynda. We play football after school. We play football after school. Biz mektepden soň futbol oynaýarys. She has a cute puppy. She has a cute puppy. Onun ovadan iti var. Ücügür ýa-da it. The milk is in the fridge. The milk is in the fridge. Süt soğuducunun içinde. I read a book every morning. I read a book every morning. Men her akşam kitap okuyarım. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. Telefona can gelýär. Telefon can etýär. He loves his parents. He loves his parents. Ol en atasyny söýýär, ol en atasyna gowy görýär. My shoes are under the bed. My shoes are under the bed. Menin köyüşlerim yatağın aşağında. She paints pictures on weekends. She paints pictures on weekends. Ol dinç günleri surat çeker. I have a pen in my bag. I have a pen in my bag. Menin sumkamda ruçka var. He is reading a newspaper. He is reading a newspaper. Ol gazet okuyar. The tree is very tall. The tree is very tall. Ağacın boyu ören uzun. My grandmother makes delicious food. My grandmother makes delicious food. Menin mehribanenem ya da dine menin enem tagamlı nahar tayarlayar. The table is clean. The table is clean. Stol arası. She is playing the piano. She is playing the piano. Ol pianino çalar. The fish is swimming in the pond. The fish is swimming in the pond. Balık havuzda yüzer. I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning. Men her gün irden suya düşerim. The clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. Saat divarda. We visit our grandparents on Sundays. We visit our grandparents on Sundays. Biz yekşembe günleri ene ata öyüne varyarız. Ya da ene atağımızı görmeyene varyarız. She likes her new shoes. She likes her new shoes. Ol taze köyüşlerini halayar. Haladı. I study in my room. I study in my room. Men otağımda okuyarım. My dog is playing in the garden. My dog is playing in the garden. It bağda oynayar. He drinks coffee every afternoon. He drinks coffee every afternoon. Ol her gün günortan kahve içer. The house is big and white. The house is big and white. Öy ulu ve ak renkte. I sleep at 10 o'clock. I sleep at 10 o'clock. Men saat 10'da yatyarım.